specific mobile device platform is not required. It screens you out from specific problems of the development of applications for mobile devices. Get the furtiveness of mobile platforms out of your head. It will allow you to focus on the application's logic more. The programming of applications for mobile devices often requires specific knowledge of a specific platform, programming code and development environment. Various skills are required for various mobile devices. iPhone OS, Objective-C. BlackBerry OS, Java BlackBerry JDE API. Smartphone. Symbian OS, C/C++ or J2ME. Smartphone. Windows Mobile, .NET CF or J2ME. Classical Cellular. Various native platforms, J2ME. Devices using the same platform often differ, as do even versions of firmware for the same devices. Mobile applications programming and testing is a nightmare for most developers. If you use It, you are screened out from these problems fully and you do not have to care about the programming of the mobile client at all. All you have to do is install the general It client to the mobile device in the standard way and file the address of your It server upon its first launch. The It client is supplied for free for various mobile platforms as a standard part of the entire solution. Use of standard web processes. The It technology is created according to standard design patterns and customized for web application development processes. The main idea is to bring the development of It applications as close to web developers as possible. The It architecture, individual components and their use comply with these principles. At the beginning, the developer decides which of the supported web technologies is most preferable for him or her, and then uses this technology on the server side. This It access supports also simple expansion of your existing web application through the addition of a new interface for a native It client. Web access was selected for its massive prevalence, simple use, large knowledge base available online and wide support of development tools and web servers for various server platforms. The web protocol, HTTP/HTTPS, is the standard today, with the clear advantage of simplest passage through various heterogeneous network environments. Web access enables centralized application management and simplifies distribution of new application versions. All you have to do is to update the central It web module on the server in the standard way. There is no more need for lengthy reinstallations of mobile devices, which there may be hundreds or even thousands of in your customer's production environment. Choose the platform in which you will develop applications for your mobile devices. One of the biggest advantages of the It solution is support for multiple web platforms on the server side. There is no need to learn new technologies and new programming procedures. All you have to do is to choose your favorite platform and you may start developing immediately. The technologies supported by It account for most of today's web world. ASP.NET. The It library contains a set of standard custom components with direct support in Visual Designer versus 2005, versus 2008. Java It is implemented as a standard JSP tag library within license support and development environments, NetBeans, Eclipse. PHP It is implemented as a simple object library within license support and environments using the PHP doc standard NetBeans, Eclipse PDD. In the future we plan to support more mobile platforms on the part of the client. This will give It another dimension and will allow you to write applications for various mobile devices in a single server technology. iPhone. Fully supported, starting with It 1.0, BlackBerry. Available in beta version, starting with It 1.1, J2ME. Available in beta version, starting with It 1.1, Windows Mobile. Plan for future. It is totally free for non-commercial use. The Faces client application is absolutely free of charge for all supported mobile platforms, both for non-commercial and commercial use. The distribution is secured by ADOS through standard channels for the specific mobile platform, iPhone App Store. The server part of the Faces technology uses the dual license model and is fully open for non-commercial projects under a new GPLI license, in line with the FOSS principles. For commercial projects, license purchase is required for final production environment only. Development licenses are free of charge for both commercial and non-commercial projects. How to use it? If you decide to use Faces in your project, the only thing you need to program is your own application server module. If you have experience with classic web development under the ASP.NET, Java or PHP platforms, programming of an Faces application is a simple task for you. The server part of the application is a standard web module and the Faces solution provides a library for the support for creation for Faces forms on the presentation layer of your server application. The libraries are designed with the view of simple integration into your web module in mind. Faces has a wide range of views. Your key data will always be at hand on the road, by business partners as well as customers wherever you or your customers need it. How to create a mobile